What's up, bitches? This is Grizzly Bear, the never ending, just posting another silly blog, and just wanted to do this since like the longest to make this blog possible. So hello everyone, today's beautiful Monday, beautiful day. I'm here, I'm alive, job hunting as we speak. Everybody's having a good day and everybody is living their life to the fullest. So yes, I am here just working on my stuff and hoping today will be a very productive day. I'm hoping everybody has a great day, and like I said, like it's it's hard out there trying to get a job, and what else can I say? So it's been up and down with my job hunting. This shit's heavy to pick up. It's been really hard, like getting like job leads. I'm hoping to get a job soon. Like honestly, I hate being jobless. I hate being lazy. Well, I'm not really being lazy, but you know what I mean. I like to be moving up and down and stuff like that. It sucks big time, honestly. Sucks. But from all this stress and mess, I am planning to go to Las Vegas once again by myself, because it's always like that. No one has money to go, so it won't cost me a lot if I'll stay like in a hostel. Like if you stay like for 1 or 2 nights, it's like $10 a night, and it's really worth it when all you need is to shower, because most of the time you're just fucking partying up, you're meeting people, you're talking to the whole everybody, so I'll give you guys a follow-up on that. So thanks for watching, and always follow, rate my videos. Thanks for I don't know. I'm gonna go get something to eat. I really don't know what I'm gonna go eat because I'm hungry, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna eat. I was craving for like a Subway, but then I was craving like a hamburger with fries. Sounds good, huh? Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so I don't know what else to talk to you guys about. Just following up, telling you guys what I'm doing. This weekend didn't do shit. Pretty much just stayed. Tomorrow my mom's getting, it's kind of like surgery. It's a biopsy. I hope and pray everything goes good. Yeah, just hoping everything goes good. I'm really scared and trying to keep positive, honestly. What else? I don't know what else to talk to you guys. Well, I was actually doing some research, and this is like what I was coming up with, like how much it would cost me to get like a Greyhound type of bus to go to Las Vegas, because obviously I don't have a car. I'm not rich like you guys, so I'm gonna do that, and hopefully I get my tickets soon. I'm probably gonna most likely go next week because I'm not planning on going on the weekend, and then my mom's gonna go to the biopsy, so most likely I'm gonna go next week. So if I do that, the bus ticket will be cheaper, and then I'll go most likely on the weekday, so hopefully everything goes good, and excited for this week. What else should I talk to you guys about? My sister came back from her trip, so that was cool. I'm glad she came home safe. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't know what else do you guys want to know? I don't know, it's crazy. Just trying to blog about my life, and I don't know what to blog about. I don't know what to vlog about. This is such, like, most of the time I have shit to talk about, but I guess not today. And, alright, I was making sure that I charged my computer. Oh, let me tell you guys one thing. I thought I turned off the thing. So basically, when I was, let me restart this. Okay, so basically, my computer was not working for, like, forever. I want to say, like, 4 days. It was not working, my computer. So I was like, fuck. It's an Apple MacBook, an older model, 2009. And this is what it was doing. It was a little thing just rotating like that. Just rotating, like loading. And I was trying so many methods how to fix this problem, and I didn't know. Like, this is like good because it's loading and it's good. But when it was not working, it wouldn't go to the blue screen. It would just stay loading and loading. So what I did was I hit Option, Command, the letter R and the letter P, and simultaneously I did it. So I hit Option, then Command, and then I hit the power button, and then I put P and R, and I'm holding all those keys at the same time. Nothing worked. So I just pretty much closed the laptop, and then I took off the battery, and this is after like 20 different methods that I was trying to figure out. So I take off the battery, and then I close the thing, and then I put the power MagSafe out, I don't know what the fuck you pronounce that, power MagSafe outlet. I connected that, and then I had it connected for a few minutes. Then I took off the power outlet, and then I put the battery back on. And then when I did that, I was just charging it, and then maybe like an hour later I turned it back on, and it loaded. I was shocked because I fixed it once again by myself. I fixed my problem with my computer, and I was struggling for that for like days, and I was so mad because my cell phone, one of my cell phones is not working anymore, so I need to buy another cell phone. And it sucked because that cell phone that I had it for like 4 years, and it sucks because when you have a phone and it doesn't work anymore, and you're trying so many methods to like fix the problem, but then you're like, maybe it's time to buy another one and sell that one. Like, I was trying so hard to like fix that cell phone, and I couldn't. And yeah, like, it sucked. Like, it sucks when you can't fix your stuff. The only little things that you have, the little items you have, even though they're not worth a lot of money, but you use them, and all the time you're like on it. It sucks when shit like that breaks down, So that was like my week. I didn't do anything crazy. Normally, since like I pretty much don't do anything like on the weekends, I normally just I'm just here just doing nothing. Yeah, sucks. Such a loser. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, it's cool, dude. It's cool. If I don't have friends, it's cool. Nah, but it's hard, super hard. Anyways, that's just some shit that happened, and What else? I'll wash my laundry. My dirty laundry. That's pretty much it. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this silly, stupid, funny video. If you like this video, give it a big like, a big thumbs up, a big rating, and share it to all your silly friends. And thank you for watching my silly video. I love you guys.